What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. But I figured out the quality issue with when I'm recording like this, you know, my face and all that. It was when I was exporting the video and posting it through the editing app I was using, but got that figured out. I'm using iMovie now, so that should be good. But and then I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get an edit for you guys. So let's see. We gonna need this. That you're gonna need some of this. If you don't know, now you know. This stuff right here work magic, literally. Ignore my busted wheels. I'm gonna repaint them, so. Comments, yeah, I know. My tires ain't the best, but got them because I'm not trying to get these tires for wheels that aren't going to be on this car for that long. So shut up. K5 Chris in the flesh, but gotta get all those watermarks off. I hate watermarks. Hate them. Good now.
What do you think of that, Al? This is my perfect victory! That's right!
Hopefully you guys thought that edit was fire, bro, because I do. My car looked good right then and there. That just made my day 10 times better. But, you know, it's all the little things. I really think I'm gonna go with black wheels. It just looks good with the black on white, like panda look. It's the best way I can explain it. But she looked good, man. Even when she all beat up, the little paint chips and everything. So all you kid haters keep saying what you're saying, but I'm gonna keep rocking out, man. Yo, man, I'm gonna have a story for y'all after today. I went to 2 AutoZones because this car I'm working on, the battery shot. Well, I'm going to the second AutoZone now. And long story short, the first AutoZone I went to, I just trusted them. I didn't look at the date on the battery. But the battery said 11/22. So it's like a year old almost. And now I gotta go to this other AutoZone and get a fresh battery. So that's what I'm going through right now. It's so annoying. Excuse me, I got a mouthful of food. Pause. But we just linked up with all the homies, and we're gonna cruise to this car meet. This shit's gonna turn into Need for Speed, I already know. Yep, it already is. So, catch y'all when I get there.
It's right there.
What's up, K5 Chris YouTube?
Right over here.
I love people. I know.
Big tilt.
What? Sheesh. Come on, bro. Put some respect on Hyundai's name, bro. Rest in peace, man. To the Q50.
Suck my dick.
Oh, dude.
This is the
do that for the YouTube.
This is the nah.
Hey guys, I
nah.
used to have a Q50 and I told it because I'm a retard. Literally, all the cops were like, I was like, how do we get in? He said, you can't, we're shutting it down.
Oh, for
And then
real?
I told the next one, I said, I'm media, can I get in? And he was like, no, shut it down.
Bro, what the f is going on?
Hey guys. That Twin Sport on Instagram.
Bro, what is going on over there? Look at him run. Look at me, man.
It's alright, it's not bad.
Nah, it's pretty good.
Woo! As soon as I flip the camera, somebody want to rev. Hold up. Oh, now he's not gonna rev it? Serious? Jeez.
Tape this.
No, bro, that's when I got my windshield replaced. That's my old inspection stickers, but he couldn't get the inspection stickers off without them ripping. So he cut the old windshield out. That's just a piece of piece of glass. You know what I mean?
Oh my god. That shit is cooking in the mirror.
Shutting the meat down. We only been here for like an hour. Boy just came up to meet John.
Yeah, they're on a time.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yo, look at that, bro. Look at that Hellcat, bro. That joint got some meats on it.
It's actually flop.
He got that 360 on it, bro, and everything.
Is he taking a Kia?
Nah, he ain't even get, bro. He ain't even get. My fucking eardrums. Tow truck boy just said that they about to start towing people and they got trucks on the way.
Dude, that old lady was taking a picture of John's car. I said, that's definitely going to be on Facebook. Who's that?
What?
What's up, chat?
K5 Chris?
Hey, K5 Chris. Guys, that Twin Sport here. This is John. I want to say some motivational shit real quick. Man, when motherfucking times are hard, man, and you don't know, like, your path in life, man,
Just give up.
just give up. Sell all your belongings. Sell your car.
Become
Gamble all that
homeless.
shit away, bro.
Gamble everything. Just
Everything. Put it all on red.
Gambling's actually the key.
Put
They
it
say
all on
don't
red.
gamble, but it's actually like the way
Put
to
it
go.
all on red.
Put it all on red.
All on
chat.
red. Do you see this? Red.
Red.
All on red.
Red. All right, bye.
Put it on red.
Man, traffic jam.
Fuck that. I don't even know which one.
That meet was crazy last night. That was a good way to start off the weather. So it was a PA versus New Jersey versus New York meet. I think they did races after that, but I didn't go to them. But it was crazy. All the cops, you got solid. But we almost had 100 subs. By the time I post this video, we probably already hit 100 subs. So I just want to say thank you. I appreciate y'all. I figured out how to make the content or the quality better. So each video that come out, the quality gonna be better every single time. So on and so forth. But I just want to say thank y'all, man. I'm gonna keep bringing the content as the summer comes on. More and more meat content. just a whole lot of car content. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you.